Residents in the southwest are bracing for heavy rains and potentially catastrophic flooding as Hurricane Hilary is expected to pummel the region as a rare tropical storm beginning Sunday and lasting into next week. Hilary remains a Category 4 hurricane as it marches toward the coast of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula with sustained winds of 130 miles per hour, according to the National Hurricane Center. Its score is expected to pass close to the peninsula Saturday night and then weaken into a tropical storm as it crosses into the U.S. and Southern California. The threat has triggered California's first ever tropical storm warning extending from the state's southern border to just north of Los Angeles. The Southwest is forecast to see heavy rainfall through early next week, with the most intense conditions on Sunday and Monday as Hilary advances. The deluges could bring more than a year's worth of rain to parts of California, Nevada, and Arizona. Parts of Southern California and Nevada could see 3 to 6 inches of rain and as many as 10 inches in some places, the center said. Elsewhere, amounts of 1 to 3 inches are forecast. While Hilary's core will pack a powerful punch, the NHC warned that strong winds and rain will begin far in advance of its arrival. Preparations for the impacts of flooding from rainfall should be completed as soon as possible, as heavy rain will increase ahead of the center on Saturday, the Hurricane Center said.